I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is unlocked and that you have recovery codes or access to the linked email. This prevents lockout later. Once done, open the Authenticator app and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. You do this now because the app blocks account changes until you prove it is you. Next, locate the account entry you want to remove. A quick swipe or tap and hold reveals options. Make sure you recognize the correct account before proceeding. Now you tap the specific account entry and open the Per Account menu, usually 3 dots or a gear icon, because removal lives in that submenu. Then select Remove, Delete, or Unlink. You confirm because the app wants to prevent accidental loss of codes. If the app asks for your PIN or biometrics, approve to complete the action. Once removed, the token is erased from the app, which is why you needed recovery access. Make sure you have an alternate. Finish by verifying the account no longer appears in your list and attempt a test sign-in so you know your access path works. If you need to reconfigure two-factor, use recovery codes or add the account anew from the service's security settings. This is why you preserved those codes. If removal failed or the app behaves oddly, reinstall the app or restore from its cloud backup, and then repeat the removal steps. Keep recovery options current to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.